Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Charger fender. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, trim removal tools, and your new fender. Next, ensure your vehicle is safely supported and disconnect the battery for safety. Then, carefully remove the wheel, the inner fender liner, and the side marker light from the old fender. Now, let's remove the old fender. Begin by locating and removing all the bolts that secure the fender to the vehicle's frame and body. Take your time and carefully detach the fender, being mindful of any hidden clips or wiring that might still be attached. Once removed, inspect the mounting area for any damage or corrosion that needs attention before installing the new part. With the old fender off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new fender onto the vehicle, ensuring all mounting points align perfectly. Secure the fender with the appropriate bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reattach the inner fender liner, the side marker light, and any other components you removed earlier. For the final steps, double-check all connections and ensure the new fender is securely mounted and properly aligned. Reconnect the battery and test all lights and electrical components to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Charger fender. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.